As the rapid prototyping lab manager, I basically manage the entire rapid prototyping process for all of Reebok, Rockport, and the hockey company. The process is anywhere from the concept to the final confirmations right now. We do the entire gamut. And I'm actually with the advanced process group. So anything for our group that I build is all first concept, just kind of guesswork, will this work, will it not, all the way through to a final confirmation model. So the full gamut. There is a wide range of products in development that Reebok does handle, not only the footwear side of it, but also in the equipment side. We've done some work with baseball bats in the Z-Corp machine, which is really cool. We make a carbon fiber look to it. We've made hockey sticks, hockey gloves, you name it. Pump mechanisms for shoes. When Z-Corp came out with the Spectrum, unbelievable machine. I think the sale of the 402, it took about 5 minutes. And the Spectrum was similarly as easy of a sale because of the high resolution, the full color, and the part bed was finally the size that we actually needed, which was to lay a full men's size 9 flat in the bed. And this saved on time and money, and all very important. 3D printing is accomplishing a great deal for Reebok in many ways. One is that by actually taking a 3D model and handing it to one of these designers and developers, it's saving us not only time but also money. There was a directive that came down about 2 years ago, just after we purchased the Spectrum 510, and it said that no more molds will be open until a part is confirmed. And at that point, my work tripled. Everyone knew they had to have a prototype, and if it wasn't exactly what they were looking for, it had to go back to the CAD engineers. They'd have to redevelop that file and get it back to me. So it has done a great deal as far as keeping me busy, but also saving Reebok a ton of money and time by getting it done right the first time. A basic mold, for example, one size would probably be between $3,000 and $6,000 to open a mold. By making this same part for less than $100 in the Z-Corp machine, we've saved thousands of dollars. Color is very important in a lot of ways. One is that if there are different iterations of a bottom unit and the designers want to try it with the same upper, this way we can print a full color model and just stick a separate upper on top at the same time, and vice versa. If we have multiple uppers, then we can change the bottoms by just a couple of clicks. We can repaint the part, rebuild the part in an hour and a half, and actually cement the upper to the bottom, put it up on a shelf for confirmation. A full color, high quality, and high definition part that we're getting out of a Z-Corp machine is just incredible. Speed is the first most important thing. They want to have it, and they have to have it now. So the majority of the time it goes towards the Z-Corp. And on the better side of that, the cost is probably about 1/3 of what I'm spending per part for my other technologies. So the more Z-Corp I use, everyone is happy, including the management.